In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Vanguard for Valorant. Vanguard is Riot Games' anti-cheat system, and it's required to play Valorant. It installs alongside the game and helps keep matches fair. So the key is to get it only from the official source and follow the prompts carefully. Start by opening your web browser and searching for How to download Vanguard for Valorant. From the results, look for the official Valorant or Riot Games site. Avoid third-party download pages. Vanguard isn't distributed separately by trusted sources. So if you see a standalone Vanguard download from anywhere else, skip it. On the official site, choose the download option for Valorant. This installer includes everything you need, including Vanguard. Once the installer finishes downloading, locate the file in your Downloads folder and run it. If you're on Windows, right-click and choose Run as administrator to prevent permission issues. The Riot client will open, and you'll sign in or create an account. Follow the on-screen steps to install Valorant. During this process, Vanguard will be installed automatically in the background. You may see a system prompt asking for permission to make changes. Select Yes to continue. When the client asks you to restart your computer to complete Vanguard setup, go ahead and reboot. That restart is necessary because Vanguard loads at a very low level to do its job effectively. After restarting, launch the Riot client again and open Valorant. You should see Vanguard running in your system tray. If you're prompted to enable Vanguard, confirm it. If you receive a message about system settings like Secure Boot, check Riot's official support guidance rather than changing BIOS settings blindly. Keeping everything official ensures your system remains secure. If you run into issues where Vanguard doesn't seem installed or Valorant won't launch, use the repair option in the Riot client to verify and fix files. Another reliable fix is to uninstall Riot Vanguard from your system's apps list, then relaunch Valorant. The client will reinstall Vanguard and prompt you to restart again. A couple of quick tips. Keep your graphics drivers and Windows updated, close background apps during installation, and don't disable your antivirus permanently. Also remember, Vanguard starts with Windows, and Valorant won't run if you've exited Vanguard from the system tray. So if you quit it, restart your PC or relaunch the game to bring it back. That's it. By using the official Valorant download, installing through the Riot client, and completing the required restart, you'll have Vanguard set up and ready to go.